top top, got the damn top drop, two color flip flop, and the red lollipop.
It cleared.
Yeah, it cleared.
You even work out?
Okay, I'm going home.
I'm lightheaded. I'm not feeling good.
What the hell?
What do you think, Tony?
Alright, do you want a wall?
What's left?
If you're really
Just
worried
the
about
headlights?
Anthony, you could do a weld here, down.
You're worried about that after he just lifted the car with it?
No, I'm
not
saying
worried.
because of that back, you can't weld it. So there's water going to get
I think at some point I'm gonna get plugs for those. I'm gonna weld those shut. And there's, if you can see here, that's all barbell over some holes.
You're actually gonna weld those closed?
Yeah.
Let's get a circle
You could,
saw.
You could get a plate
I can get like a socket that size, cut out that.
Yeah.
or just get a plate and cut it to this.
That's not a bad idea. You could just rib nut a plate.
Well, that one hole is gonna be my chassis or my engine.
Yeah, but that's an easy
This
enough,
one?
This is an easy enough cut to make so you don't have to mess around and weld inside of there. And then it would be a lot prettier if you make it smaller too.
You're saying like make this shape?
Yeah, like an 8.
Just one
Yeah,
oval.
this is oval.
Yep.
That'd be pretty cool. That'd be easy to do too. Still the same thing, a socket, and just measure, and then map it out.
I think it turned out pretty cool.
Me too. Turned out good.
I'm gonna put another bead right here and right here and right here, and then sand it smooth, so it's all smooth.
I did that one right there. Who did it?
Kyle did that side, I did this side.
You did this side? Anthony did this side. Kyle did that side.
This is Kyle's weld.
Holy shit! You're
That's my.
Wow. You know what he did? He took something. What did you say about put it on the bitches? The bitches snap and made sure I wasn't in it.
Oh, because he said if something about the weld, he's like, make sure my name's not on these welds. And I was like, yeah, that's why in the picture I put on the Snapchat, I didn't put.
He does warranty his welds. Brake light warranty.
What?
Brake light warranty. It's all about the angle. There's just behind the scenes stuff right here.
I wish I could see that angle.
Cadillac, took it to the top top, got the damn top drop, two color flip flop, and the red lollipop.
All right, Caleb. What's going on here?
Well, the motor's out. So, gotta take that apart, get the block, get rebuilt. In the meantime, I got a nice wiring list to Johnny is gonna read it for me.
Ain't that right, Johnny? Heard you're a pro wirer.
Johnny and Justin.
Don't you work on electrical?
Look at, he even tore out my wiring harness. He said he was gonna rebuild it and everything.
Yep.
I'm colorblind, so I think I could do it.
I think you should.
Colorblind and stupid.
Well,
So,
just gotta trace down a bunch of wires and figure out what I'm not using. I already got a couple out. But obviously a lot of this stuff.
it was really bad. It was really bad in here. But
It drove me nuts.
you're gonna paint your engine bay. We got some rust you gotta clean up.
Yeah, got a bunch of stuff I gotta old brackets. I gotta get rid of, shave it, make a little bit more room for reservoirs.
Yeah.
Little update here. Put in this ugly plate, which I'm gonna paint, just to hold my ECU and kill switch. And I think I might put that Wi-Fi antenna in there too for my gauges. I removed this plate where the vents used to be right here, and I'm gonna try and make a metal plate that I can kind of patch that hole and maybe put like a gauge in eventually. I gotta fasten this down. That was a little bit annoying last year. Tuck some wiring, clean up some wiring. Just removed another 55-gallon garbage bag of wiring from this car. Don't ask me what they did. New addition, gotta have a sub. Relocated the battery to the back, ran 0 gauge wire all the way up. This is just for the amp. Yeah, that's about it. This is my Bluetooth head unit. Pretty cool, because obviously I don't have a head unit. So just connects directly to my phone or my iPad in the dash, whatever I want to use. Pretty cool. All right.
Get money.
No idea what I'm doing. At this point, I'm just kind of guessing. It's a practice run. So here's kind of the finished product. Took many tries, but yeah. Had to go to the neighbor for that bend there. Still not super perfect here, but good enough for a drift car. Again, that's from yesterday. I got these mounted up. Gotta paint all this stuff black. Yeah, here's the old piece. Broken. Don't need it. So, weld on some clamps on here for some brackets. You can kind of see the ends. I'm gonna trim those, maybe. But yeah, I got some temporary hardware in there, and good enough. Miracle, I was able to get anything done while he's taking up the entire garage with this harness. Pretending like he has any idea what he's actually looking at.
I won't look too soon.
So he's just going through the harness, fixing a bunch of stuff that previous owners had destroyed.
Taking out the stuff that is unneeded.
Yeah, removing all the unnecessary stuff. Like, what are you removing?
Well, there's like ABS sensors or plugs and like just random stuff that I don't even know what it goes to. Like all this, no idea.
Optional.
The rest of this is pretty much headlights and whatnot. I don't know. A couple more YouTube videos and I'll figure it out.
Hopefully not too many, because it's gonna be summer before we know it. All right, check back later. It's his Cheese Freeway signing off, bitches.